How to change text size on WeChat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to increase or decrease the text size on your WeChat app? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up your WeChat app and then head over to your profile in the bottom right corner. Go to settings. Now go to interface and display under general. Now you can see text size, tap on it, and then you can see the slider at the bottom. Now if you slide it towards the right, it will increase the text size. You can see the preview at the top. And if you want to decrease the text size, then drag the slider towards the left. And that's it. That's how it works. And hit done after you have set the text size to your preference. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.